We traveled around the state, casting people's bodies, letting them tell their stories in that way. The 100 Stone Project was a storytelling project, giving people an opportunity to embody their story instead of speak of their story. It very, very quickly became an advocacy project. It was no longer just a sculpture installation. It was such an honor to have Indy, Alaska and PBS interested in the work that our whole statewide community had done. We've made something beautiful. I have another team now. Our team is called Absolute Zero. And what we're trying to do now is monumentalize the monumental task of breaking one's silence against sexual and domestic violence in Alaska. We're prototyping right now. I'm experimenting with different shapes. These monuments will be taller than people, they will make sound at the activation of wind, and they will stand as a monument to the courage of that community. The state has the highest rates of sexual and domestic violence in the country. They're truly staggering. And there are so many people who are lost inside that pain. Art is the most powerful tool to express one's condition. It's also the most powerful tool to discover one's condition. You get to have an experience with the art instead of being told what to understand. And I think that really finds a longer and more powerful and longer lasting living place in your body and in your heart than anything else. Art's like magic.